Hello again, and welcome back. Today I have a new story for you. It is called The Lost Dog. Listen, relax, and follow the story. You do not need every word. Let's begin. It was a grey afternoon in the city. A woman named Emma was walking home through the park. The wind was cold, and the trees were wet from the rain. Emma was tired after a long day at work. She only wanted to go home, make a cup of tea and rest. But then she saw something small under a tree. It was a dog, a small brown dog. It was all alone. It was wet, and it was shaking. The dog looked cold and afraid. Emma stopped and looked around. Where was the owner? There was no one. The park was empty. Poor little dog, she thought. Are you lost? She walked to the dog slowly. She did not want to scare it. Hello, she said in a soft voice. It's okay. I will not hurt you. The dog looked up at her. It was scared, but its eyes were kind. Slowly, it came to her. Emma smiled and touched its head. The little dog was cold and wet. Around the dog's neck, there was a collar. Emma looked at the collar. There was a small metal tag on it. On the tag, there was one word, Max. So your name is Max, Emma said softly. But there was no phone number and no address, only the name. The dog was lost, and Emma did not know where it lived. Emma could not leave the little dog alone in the cold, so she decided to look for the owner. Come, Max, she said, let's find your home. First, she looked around the park. She saw a man with an umbrella. Excuse me, Emma said, is this your dog? Do you know this dog? The man shook his head. No, sorry, he said. I have never seen it. Emma walked out of the park and into the street. She stopped people and asked them, do you know this dog? His name is Max. But nobody knew Max. Nobody knew where he belonged. The sky was getting dark now, and Emma was getting worried. The little dog was still cold, and it was starting to rain again. Don't worry, Max, she said. I will not leave you. Emma went to the houses near the park. She knocked on the doors. When people opened the door, she asked, Excuse me, does this dog belong to you? One woman said no. An old man said no. A family with children said no, but they gave Max a little bread to eat. Max ate the bread very quickly. He was hungry. Emma felt sad. She had looked for Max's home everywhere, but she could not find it. Then Emma saw a small shop on the corner. A warm, yellow light came from the window. She went inside with Max. Hello, she said to the shopkeeper. I found this dog in the park. I'm looking for his owner. Do you know him? The shopkeeper looked at Max and smiled. Yes, he said. I know this dog. This is Max. He belongs to a little boy who lives on this street. His name is Tom, and his family will be very worried. Emma was so happy. Do you know where they live? She asked. Yes, said the shopkeeper. The blue house, number 12. It is very close. Emma and Max walked to the blue house, but before she could knock, the door opened. A little boy ran out into the street. Max, he shouted. Max! The dog barked happily. He ran to the boy as fast as he could. The boy fell to his knees and hugged the wet little dog. You found him, the boy cried. I looked for him everywhere. I thought he was gone forever. Tom's mother came to the door, she looked at Emma with tears in her eyes. "Thank you so much," she said. "Tom was so worried. We were all looking for Max all afternoon. You are very kind." Emma smiled. "I'm just happy that Max is home now," she said. She said goodbye and walked home in the rain. She was cold and wet and very tired, but inside she felt warm and happy. She had helped a little dog find his way home, and she knew she would always remember Max and the happy face of the little boy. Let's review some words from the story. A dog, a friendly animal that many people keep as a pet. Lost, when you cannot find your way or your home. A collar, the band around a dog's neck. To be worried, to feel that something bad might happen, and to look for, to try to find something. Emma looked for Max's owner. The boy looked for his dog everywhere. That's our story for today. Did you understand it? If you did, well done. Your English is growing. Watch it again tomorrow, and it will be even easier. See you in the next story. Take care.